Hi Sanjay, I hope you had a good trip. I know that my video is late, but I was really just swamped with my empty Christmas stuff, trying to finish everything before the break ended, which I didn't even end up finishing. So, what is today's video about? It is going to be about New Year's resolutions. Now, for those of you who don't know, a New Year's resolution is a person making an act to improve or improve themselves. The top 3 New Year's resolutions of 2015 are as follows. Number 1 was to lose weight. Number 2 was to get more organized. And number 3 was to save more and spend less. Okay, now looking from some stats of America, let's look at how many people actually participated in this activity and how many people succeeded. So it is apparent that 45% of Americans actually make New Year's resolutions. Now, how many of them do you think actually stuck with them and had a success rate? Only 8%. Wow. Now, this is where I start to get mad about New Year's resolutions. 76% of New Year's resolutions were about improving weight and improving the amount of money you have. Okay, why does this make me mad? This makes me mad for 2 reasons. Number 1, it makes me mad because given this government officiated holiday, it is the only time in a year where someone is willing to take the time to self-reflect and look at where they're at in life. You shouldn't need a government holiday to tell you what to do and when to do it. You should be self-reflecting, checking if you're happy, checking if you're on the right track all the time. It shouldn't just be New Year's. They're making this big change to make your whole life better. Ugh. And the second reason, and most important reason that this makes me mad, is because why is it always about this self-reflection on what the media tells you don't have enough of? It makes me so mad that the media tells you that you don't have enough money, or you're not fit enough, or you're not healthy enough, or you're not attractive enough, that people spend all of their time wasting their New Year's resolutions on fixing these cliche problems that are given to them by the media. This results in people wasting this time that they should spend improving their journey in life, their world, their family, the environment, improving their personal weight, or the amount of money they save. I think that there's a difference between trying to fix yourself and trying to fix the world around you. I see it more appropriately as fixing yourself every day. It shouldn't be something you do once a year at New Year's. I think changing the world around you is something you should at least reflect on at New Year's, if that. It bothers me so much that people spend that time self-reflecting on self-improvement when that's something you should always be doing, as opposed to reflecting on what can you do to change the world, what can you do to change the environment around you, things about different laws being passed, about problems going on across different countries, different wars, different human rights violations, the lack of needs around the world. I think that everybody deserves water, food, and shelter. So many people are deprived of that. But in your New Year's resolution, changing those things, not changing your $100,000 into $1 million. So in conclusion, I think people should spend their New Year's resolutions spending time about thinking, where will they be at next New Year's? Not how will they look and their appearance and any of those things. They should be thinking, what job do I want to be in? What location do I want to be in? Where do I see myself? What is my life at in 2017? Think about exactly how you describe your life in the sum of, if somebody says, how's it going? What are you doing? You say, I'm working here, I'm living here, I have this many kids, I'm married, etc. Make all those things a factor in your life, because those are the things that affect your happiness. Anyways, that's why I hate New Year's resolutions, because I think that people are wasting their time making selfish and superficial New Year's resolutions, as opposed to spending their time trying to make a difference and trying to spend New Year's resolutions on something that affects the world on a global scale. Anyways, bye Sanjay, and I hope you had a good break. I'll see you on Thursday.